Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first action. Plug in Chromecast, power it, and open Google Home. Sign into the same Wi-Fi network on your Alexa device because device discovery requires identical network context. Once done, confirm Chromecast appears in the Google Home app and note its exact device name. You will reference that name when creating routines. Make sure Alexa and Google accounts are ready for later linking. Then move to the integration step. Do not skip name verification. Now you link accounts and build the control flow. Open the Alexa app and enable any needed Google or Chromecast compatible skills. Grant permission for discovery and media control. Once done, create a new Alexa routine. Set a trigger phrase or schedule, then add an action that targets the Chromecast device name, choosing the appropriate media or casting command. Make sure to test a simple cast like streaming a test video or audio. If it fails, double-check permissions and device name, spelling before proceeding. Finish by testing and refining. Speak your routine phrase and watch the TV cast. If playback works, add refinements, volume control, multi-step media actions, or error handling. Once done, schedule routines or add shortcuts. If something goes wrong, power cycle router, Chromecast, and Alexa, then retry because network hiccups often block discovery. Make sure apps and firmware are current and that both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi. If problems persist, reauthorize the linked skill and recreate the routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.